Atomic Habits Book, Chapter 1. Welcome to the Philomath Channel, the home of learning lovers, where knowledge becomes action, action becomes strength, and strength becomes transformation. Today, we begin one of the most life-changing books ever written, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This chapter teaches a powerful truth. Small habits create big change. Tiny improvements build massive transformation. And before we go deep, let me tell you a story. A story about the author himself. The story of James Clear, from broken to unstoppable. Before James Clear became one of the world's leading habit experts, he was a normal college student. With normal dreams, normal plans, and no idea that his life was about to change forever. One day in his high school years, James was hit in the face by a baseball bat. Accidentally, but with incredible force. He collapsed instantly. He couldn't breathe. He almost died. His skull was fractured. He had seizures. He lost the ability to smell. He had to be carried to the hospital. In one moment, his entire life fell apart. He couldn't return to school for weeks. He had to relearn basic things. He felt behind. Weaker than before. Almost hopeless. But here is the miracle. James Clear decided to rebuild his life. One small habit at a time. He started tiny. Making his bed. Studying for a few minutes. Doing small exercises. Organizing his environment. Building simple routines. Day by day. Habit by habit. Vote by vote. He rebuilt his mind, his body, and his confidence. Years later, he made the college baseball team. Then he became team captain. Then he graduated top of his class. Then he became an author whose book changed millions. James Clear did not rise through motivation. He rose through small habits, repeated daily. Atomic Habits was not just written. It was lived. And now, his transformation becomes your roadmap. The hidden power of small habits. Most people think success comes from one big moment. One big decision. One big push. One big burst of motivation. But James Clear discovered the opposite. Success is built from small habits, repeated consistently. Reading one page. Studying 5 minutes. Walking 10 minutes. Saving a little money. Waking up 10 minutes earlier. These tiny choices build your future. Small habits, stronger identity, big achievements. The power of 1% daily improvement. James Clear teaches. Become just 1% better every day. Not perfect. Not extreme. Just 1%. Because 1% is easy to start. Easy to stick with. Impossible to fail. And if repeated daily, 1% improvement becomes 37 times better in 1 year. The Valley of Disappointment. In the beginning, you will not see big results. You will read but feel no smarter. Exercise but see no change. Study but feel no difference. Save money but see no growth. This slow beginning is called the Valley of Disappointment. Most people quit here. But James Clear realized that progress grows silently. Under the surface. Like the roots of a tree. Growth is invisible. Until it becomes impossible to ignore. Never quit during the silent phase. Identity, the root of all habits. Every small action is a vote for the person you want to become. Read 1 page, vote for I am a reader. Study 5 minutes, vote for I am a learner. Walk 10 minutes, vote for I am healthy. Save a bit, vote for I am responsible. Wake early, vote for I am disciplined. Identity is not built in one day. Identity is built daily, habit by habit. You become what you repeatedly do. Goals versus systems. James Clear explains. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Goals are good for direction. Systems are good for progress. Goal, read more. System, read 5 minutes every night. Goal, become fit. System, morning walk daily. Goal, study more. System, 1 chapter a day. Goal, save money. System, small daily savings routine. Good systems create automatic success. 5 action steps you can start today. 1. The 2-minute rule. Start every habit in 2 minutes or less. Make the habit so small that failure is impossible. 2. Make it easy. Shape your environment. Book on your bed. Shoes by the door. Clean desk. Phone far away. Notebook ready at night. Environment motivation. 3. Don't break the chain. Track your daily habits. Protect your streak. Consistency beats intensity. 4. Celebrate small wins. Reward your small progress. I am improving. I am building my future. Small wins grow confidence. 5. Focus on identity, not results. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? Then vote for that identity through your habits. True transformation. This chapter teaches, you don't need to be extreme. You just need to be consistent. Small steps create momentum. Momentum creates identity. Identity creates transformation. This is how James Clear rebuilt his life. And this is how you will rebuild yours. Tiny habits. Daily repetition. Massive transformation. Thank you for watching. If you want deeper, practical, and motivational lessons, subscribe to the Philomath Channel. In the next video, we explore Chapter 2 of Atomic Habits, where we learn how identity shapes behavior, and behavior shapes destiny. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing.